Oh, fuck. That wasn't there for a while. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, first off and foremost, guys, this is my first time trying Dutch Bros. We're gonna I don't even know what I got, but I know that I got something, and they forgot to even fucking put what I wanted as far as around the rim of the cup. They forgot my mocha, but that okay. The barista was she's a barista, right? Server? The one that took my order. The one that took my order was top-notch quality, guys. Let's just put it that way. She was very high hopes, but I don't know. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste like fucking thebomb.com. Like, I would go back. But I got a story time I'm going to tell you guys later about, because this shit needs to be known. I'm in Merced County, guys. Merced. The fucking Dutch Bros is right over here. Right over there. You see it? Over there. Not that lady. We're not doing no recording on her ass. It's over there, guys. So I'm gonna do an update story time about what I experienced for my first time ever being at Dutch Bros, and I feel like Dutch Bros needs to do better for this younger generation as far as employees wise goes. Okay, I'll be back. It's gonna be crazy. I don't know what the fuck. I'm still processing what I witnessed, but yeah, be back. Baby, you like or don't like when I thought it's been a while since there was a good one like that.